Cibitari ya St John's ntere cha Muthara ni twikite kitharimo kiria AKARI ntere nyuma ya kuweza na mashini cha kuthambia ngari kiri ikundi bya bodaboda na kinya MBURI cha GUKAMA kiri ikundi bya EKURU ni itagaria riria ria mukiri na nkero na nkatho inyinge kuma kiri AKARI taura tugutaririrwa ni mukiri Mithika.
Kumania na matheya mpara yarayarumirite ntere mwanya muno ndwanda tietiania Cibitari St John of God ntere tietiania itongeretwe brother Gelasius mwene ibaete ikundi bya EKURU MBURI tieria na ikundi bya etethia bikibiki mashini tia kuthambia ngari.
I asked my colleagues at St. German but they are from Holland who have been helping us to equip the hospital that we should do something small to the community so that they can also be empowered and be sustainable for tomorrow. So we decided to offer them dairy goats, train them how to keep them, so that tomorrow they will be able to take care of themselves and their children, and the situation of malnourishment to reduce. And to our brothers, the ABODABODA riders, they have been very instrumental to bring clients to the hospital, and they always cooperated with us. So we empowered them with the car washing machines to uplift their revenues and also that they will feel part of the hospital.
Kuringana na brother mwene,
we are here for the people and we cannot isolate ourselves. We have to work with them. We have to know their needs. We have to respond to their needs, and they too must respond to the services available in the hospital. The benefits of some of these things is that people get to know us more, because sometimes people don't know who we are. They don't know what we can do for them. We are level 4 hospital with the well-advanced equipment, with the good partnership we are doing now with the German teams. And if we don't let the community know and work with them, they will not appreciate our presence.
Na kiri ikundi bira bigunekete na intobi ibona neti weru bonene.
Bakubwira bobo ya muno nontu ndalaita akoya kuthwania kweri baitu tangu wene muno ya kureta achi kuma machinani tukareta mu Cibitari na mbigibigi obuo maichi tangu nyingi sana ngulukia kinyangari no tunangari na mbigibigi kuma ngari tukuma na ekera mweche ni amureta na ndo ya amwanja tena kuingo joga ngada ndalaita ntu kuithania nda ndire ya sana atunakara machini ka wash na inkuthwania ke ka wash tukoya murungu atuthani bobo atumura bobo ya within a short time tuthatuna ngari turamukuthatuna ngari tuthatuna kwanja ketu kana tuthatuna petition yetu
aturetera achie wa MBURI na itokuwa ibwaya na ito muranto mwenda tuterania tongela binge na binge tokuwa ibwaya nonto bwa Cibitari nonto barondro twonetie as a community na twirendre kuritaniria neongwe batwendro tuko kana muthenya twirendre kubetika KEMBURI to antiko yeru ari into mwenda weto cia tutethia na kunyweria toyana beto eria na tonyweria rero MBURI no ntuire ne nya vitamins inyinge nkiroki eria ya ng'ombe
nkurokia uwete kwina mibango engi kithomba benewe kuguna mwingi.
The last 2 years we have done several activities. We launched a primary health care activity which had 3 components. We had to go to the furthest end of Meru County, Atiren, Gambela, Toronto and some other places where we are giving basic treatment for minor alignment and referring cases to the hospital who needed it most, and also doing vaccinations. So we also carried out school health programs in some selected schools around Tiganya East and Tiganya West, where we are giving health education and also listening to the youths and advising them on health lifestyle. We engage the women groups who are taking care of the BP and also minor illnesses and then some health education.
Nkiripotera Weru TV kuma Tiania, Mbita wa Mukiri wa Mithika.